Good morning, children. Today I'm ready to pick here about land degradation. Let me explain the causes of the land degradation. Land degradations is very common today because of increasing population. Further, we can say as demands are increasing day by day of the people. That's why more land area is being covered up as industries are set up, agriculture develop, more houses are being built, flyovers, roads, construction of railway tracks. So many things are being done, so many work are being further developed. That's why day by day there is a high percentage of the land degradation. Let me explain the definition of the land degradation. The land which is unfit for agriculture, which is not being further used, that is being known as a land degradation. Here you are watching the one most important picture. Soil erosion is very high on mountains. So then a very high quantity of the soil is being eroded by water, as or we can say by the rain, and that's why you can see quite a big quantity is carried away. That's why there are the pits as well as the slopes are there, and further the beautiful mountains has changed. The lower part, the grasses are also being rooted out. So that's why we can say effect of this soil erosion. Soil erosion further also affecting on land degradation. So we can say soil erosion is the main cause of land degradation. This can be by water, by rainfall, by wind also. You can see here the soil erosion. The action is shown here of the wind. So very limited vegetation is shown here, and this is the effect of the soil erosion, again very badly affecting on land. Another picture you see, the drought is also the main cause of the land degradation, which is very common especially in deserted area due to low rainfall and the high temperature, uh, generally at the daytime, and suddenly temperature comes down in the night. It is very common in desert, especially in Rajasthan. So that's why the drought problem is very common in Rajasthan, and that's why it is again affecting on land degradation. So land is being spoiled, not fit for further agriculture activities. Other picture again you are watching here, as the very limited grasses and small trees are here just because of the scarcity of the rain. And this picture is affecting very badly, we can say, and showing the effect of the drought on the land degradation. Next is the flood. Flood is also responsible for land degradation. It is making the land unfit because the upper layer of the fertile soil cover is carried by high speed of the water. So again affecting on cultivation. Flood is not only the land is being changed into infertile land, as well as affecting on other activities, like we can say making the roads weak and further eroding trees, houses, and whatever is being coming between the way of the water, because water speed is very high. So after the floods, or as well as the floods subside, then we can see the effect on land degradation. Another, you can see floods. Water is carrying very speedily and it is eroding the margins of both the sides of the field, and generally it is affecting very badly in as non-concrete area or kacha area is badly affected by floods. Another action is here mining. The mining is equally responsible for land degradation because you know well the so many minerals are being taken out from inside the surface. This process is known mining, and from the very olden time, a lot of minerals are being wasted. They are not fully used, and afterward they are being blown by the wind or as well as by the water, so increasing the pollution of the land, and further land become unfit. So mining is equally responsible. Nearby areas also become weakened. Further, it is affecting on land degradation. Next, another picture, as the mining machinery is being used, such a big area is being occupied. So, whenever the mining is not done properly, or we can say the mines are not being covered after taking out the minerals, then they create a lot of problems as on human life, on pollution, as well as on land degradation. So, mining another cause of land degradation. Here you are watching the pollution as the garbage is being thrown near the coastal area. So nearby coastal area which can be used for cultivation, but pollution is making the area unfit. So you can see the beaches are shown here, and those are showing as a very filthy picture because garbage is thrown here and there. Next, you are watching the main cause of the pollution is industry. So many industries are increasing in number due to high demand of the products, due to increasing population, due to promoting trade. But as well as industries are increasing in number, the pollution is also very badly affecting on the environment, on water, on land, as well as on human life. So pollution is also the main cause of land degradation. See, the polluted water is discharged into water bodies. Further, the water become unfit for drinking, and if the animals or men use it, then they become ill. So it is affecting directly on the health. Further, if this water is being used for irrigation, then again it is affecting on land or fertility of the soil. Next, again, you are watching another picture. The sewer water is being discharged here, which is also making the unfit for the man, as well. Land is being made unfit for further use. So the dirty water equally responsible for land degradation. Overgrazing, time to time this problem is arising very high as the grasslands are decreasing in number and the animals are being grazed on the grasslands. So overgrazing, sometimes there is no high quantity of the grasses, but still the animals are being left there to graze them, and because this is a very important food for animal, the overgrazing is also the main cause of the land degradation because roots are not remain there, they are also being eaten or fed by the animals. Overgrazing you can see in the some mountainous area. Previously a grassland was there, but now that totally removed, even roots also, just because of the overgrazing. So land has become changed or become infertile. So overgrazing is equally responsible for land degradation. So many causes are explained by me. So land degradation is very serious problem of today. It should be controlled because if there is no land, no life, no other activities, as all activities are done on the land. So it should be controlled. In further, I will explain how to control over the land degradation.